In class, I am your computer teacher of class 6th. Today I will continue the reading of chapter number 1 of computer, which is on page number 8. Open page number 8. Today we will start from joystick. So let's start the reading. A joystick is also a pointing device like the mouse. It is a control device most commonly used with the video games. The stick of joystick fits through a movable shaft into a cable. A joystick has a spherical ball at its lower end that helps it move right, left, forward and backward. This is used to manipulate the movement of cursor on the screen. Trackball. A trackball is similar to a house. The roller ball of a trackball is fixed and spins in different directions to move the cursor on the screen. It is normally used in laptop computers. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing device used to select options from the screen by pointing to them. It can also be used to draw figures on the screen. A light pen has a light sensor fixed at the end of a pen-shaped tube. Now output devices. The output devices that are used to get information from the computer are called output devices. Examples of output devices are VDUs, video display units, printers, plotters, etc. A VDU is a display device that presents the required information on the screen. Text or graphical information shown on a display device is called soft copy. A printer is an output device that proposes text and graphics on a physical medium such as paper or transparency film. Printed information is called hard copy. Visual display unit, monitor. A visual display unit VDU is similar to a TV screen and can display both text and graphic images. A VDU is also known as the monitor. Printers have been till date the most popular output device. They provide information in a permanent readable form. They produce printed outputs of results, programs and data. Printers are of two types, impact and non-impact. Impact printers include all printers that work by striking an ink ribbon. Daisy wheel, dot matrix and line printers are impact printers. Non-impact printers include laser printers and inkjet printers. Plotter. These are the special type of printers which are used to draw high quality images. They are used by engineers, architects and map makers to draw plans of buildings, machines, etc. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer and performs main work. The main function of CPU are: first, it stores data as well as results. Second is process the data entered. Third, it gives result to the output, that is monitor. CPU consists of three main units. First, memory unit. This unit stores the data or information either permanently or temporarily. Second is arithmetical and logical unit, ALU. It is the main part of the computer. It does all the calculations and takes logical decisions. Third, control unit. The control unit controls all the functions of the computer. It also controls flow of data within CPU. This is the flow chart of computer. Now memory device. Memory stores data and the instructions as well as the output after processing. The memory devices can be divided into two types. First, primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory, secondary memory. In primary memory there are two memories, which is RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. In secondary memory there are three and many types of memories, which is hard disk, CD means compact disk and DVD means digital versatile disk, and pen drive. Software. We have seen that computers are extremely fast, reliable and powerful. Computer software is not something you can touch. Software is a set of instructions for computer to perform specific operations. You need both hardware and software for a computer system to work. Software is any set of machine-readable instructions that directs a computer's processor to perform specific operations. A combination of hardware and software forms a usable computing system. Now you have to read this in short, these notes. The reading of the chapter is completed. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.